Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to change chat background on Telegram. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Telegram app, open it, and after that, go and to the chat that you want to change the background of it. After that, click on the picture of the other person on the top right of the screen. After that, go and click on the three dots in the menu in the middle of the screen. Click on More. And after that, click on Change Wallpaper. And as you can see, you will find a lot of themes included in the app. And if you don't like any one of them, you can simply choose wallpaper from your photos. You can upload like your own photo and make it as a wallpaper for the conversation, and after that click on apply theme. And that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.